find a design. Yo, what is up, everybody? Thank you all so much for coming back for another video. I really appreciate it. In this video, I'm just going to make it something light for you. And in this video, I'm going to show you, if you're new to Procreate and you're wondering, how do I export a file that I want to either post on my Instagram page, post on social media, or that one you want to take it into Photoshop or send it out and get it ready for printing. So the first thing you want to do, you would just find a design or your creation that you made, and the easiest thing to do is, I'm gonna show you two ways that you could do it. You could either do it this way, but what I recommend first is naming your artwork. Just put whatever you want, and right here, now what you're gonna do, you're gonna just swipe to the left with your finger, or you can use your pencil, and you just tap share, and then it's gonna give you multiple options. You can do animated video file, animated PNG, animated GIF, a TIFF, PNG, JPEG, a PDF, and a PSD, which is a Photoshop document. And Procreate, the only place I do use Procreate is on an iPad. And then I'm gonna show you another way. This is if you are inside of your document that you are working on. You're going to tap on the gear icon. I'm gonna do that again. You'll tap right there, and then you're gonna tap on where it says share, and it's gonna give you the same options. These are just going to be inside of an active creation that you're working on. And it's really simple, easy to do. And let me show you one more thing really quick before we get out of here. Is you could tap canvas information, and it's going to give you all the dimensions, the DPI, and here in the US, we go by inches, and it gives me the inches. And then if you want to get even more technical, it'll give you the statistics, such as the total amount of strokes you made, and the time, and the file size. And it'll even give you color profile, the amount of layers you use, the amount available. You could even do about this artwork. You could even sign. And that is how you export a file within Procreate. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, let me know what your comments are in the comment below. And don't forget to subscribe. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. I appreciate you taking the time to hit that like button, subscribe button, all the good buttons. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.